A very good morning, good afternoon, good night, whenever you will watch this video. So today our topic is defining. Now in the previous video we have already understood about whatever description is there or describing meaning, its advantages, its method. So in this video we will discuss about defining means what. The term defining and describing both are very much different to each other. How they are different to each other, that we will discuss in this video. So I hope you are ready with your pen and paper. So without wasting much time, let us start this video. So supposing in your examination this type of short note will be asked that write down the short note on defining, or defining means what. So in this way you can write. So for statement for defining, what you can write that defining means what? To fix or lay down clearly, specify distinctly. So defining means what? That whatever term that you want to define, so for that purpose particular thing is there, that thing must be clear to you. Or over here also I have written that to fix. Fix means what? That supposing if you want to define about the boiler, so you can fix one thing about boiler, what? That boiler is a device. So device means what? Fixed thing is there, and in that definition you should not describe the things. So over here I have written that specify distinctly. Distinctly means what? To the point, clearly. Description should not be there. To the point thing you should write. Like boiler is a device which will convert the water into the steam. So that is the meaning of boiler, or that is the definition of the boiler. So whatever definition is there, that definition should specify distinctly. Distinctly means clearly. And also whatever definition is there, that you have to fix, that it is a device, or it is a machine, or it is a mechanism, etc. Okay. Next is what? It is the resource which helps to find the meaning of small word. So whatever definition is there, that definition is nothing but the resource. So from that resource you can understand the meaning of the small word, and that small word is also known as lexical unit. Lexical unit means what? Small word. And when you will define the small word, that definition is known as defining, and from that definition complete meaning you can understand. Okay. Next is what? Writer is expected to use technique of descriptive talk. So whatever writer is there, that writer is expected to use the descriptive talk means what? That when you want to define something, at that time certain things you have to describe also about the topic. So that is known as technique, so that whatever reader is there, that reader can easily understand the definition. As for example, if you want to define the boiler, so you will say boiler is a device, or it is a closed container in which we are filling some water, and after that we are supplying some heat. So whatever water which is present inside of that boiler or closed container will be converted into a high pressure and high temperature of the steam. That means in the definition of boiler, certain description is also there. So that is known as what? Descriptive talk. So whatever writer is there, that writer is expected to use certain descriptive talk in his definition. Okay. Next is according to its Latin etymology, it means to put limits. Now Latin etymology means what? That it is nothing but branch of the words. Branch of the words is known as what? Etymology. So according to the branch of the word, meaning of defining is what? To put limits. Put limits means what? That is the definition. That is the definition. You are putting certain limits. Boiler means what? It is a device. Limitation is that it is a device. And what it can do? It can produce the electricity. That is the limit. So simple meaning of defining means what? To put the limit. You are putting the limit. You are not describing. Limitations are there for the defining. Next is a definition is a statement that explains the meaning of words or the phrase, and also describe the features of something. So definition means what? Defining means what? It is the word or the phrase. You are defining word or the phrase. Word like boiler is there, like mobile phone is there, like chair is there. So that definition based on what? Based on the word or the phrase. and also describe the features of something. And features of something means what? That like boiler has which type of features, that different types of boilers are there: horizontal boiler, vertical boiler, inclined head boiler, etc., mobile boiler, stationary boiler, etc. So this type of thing should be there in your defining portion. Next is, so there are two forms of defining something. Two forms are there. First form is known as by explaining its meaning. So first form, by explaining its meaning, and that is known as formal structure. So that is your formal structure. In formal structure, first thing is what? Concept is there. Concept is what? That water is converted into steam. In the case of definition of the boiler, that is the concept, is a boiler. Then form of what? That means boiler will convert the water form into the vapor form, you can say. Then class is what? In which class that boiler falls. So you will say in industrial class that boiler falls, because boilers are used in the industries. And with that, which thing you can produce? You can produce which can produce the electricity or power, you can say. Then specific features are there for the boilers, like on the boiler mountings are there, accessories are there, etc. So that is what? That is the first structure, which is known as by explaining its meaning. You are explaining its meaning, which is known as formal structure. And second structure is by describing its features in definition. So that is the descriptive structure, you can say. First you will discuss about the class, then who is using this, which are the spatial features, and that is called or known as, and what is the concept behind that. So these two structures are there. By using any one of these structure, you can define about any topic or define about any lexical unit, which is a small word. So I hope the meaning of defining is clear to you. Now I would like to end this video. Once again, we will meet in a new video with a new topic. So till then, read hard, work hard. Thank you very much.